Hello, the given question is from control system, chapter state variable analysis, and this is 2 marks question. And here they have given the system. This is the given system, and for this we have to find if the system is both controllable or observable. B option, system is only controllable, not observable. C option, system is only observable, not controllable. D option, is system neither controllable nor observable. So the given equation represents x is equals to a into x plus b u, and this is c, ax into plus b u. So a is matrix 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, and b is 0, 1. Directly from this equation, from this given equation, this is b, this is a, and c is cx. This is c. So if the system is in order to find if the system is controllable, there is a condition qc is equal to b is to ab, which will obtain a into b multiplication of the matrix a into b will obtain 0, 1, 1 minus 1. And in order to find in order to tell if the system is controllable, the mod of qc, this is mod of this matrix, if it is equal to minus 1, mod of this matrix should not be equal to 0, then the system is controllable. So here we have obtained it is minus 1, so the system is controllable. In the similar way, in order to find system is observable, if the mod of this q matrix should not be equal to 0, so here we have obtained after simplification, that is q naught as not 1, so which is not equal to 0, so the system is observable. So which is the option A. So from the given system we can find out if the system is controllable or observable by using this condition, that is should not be mod of system control qc, that is controllable, should not be equal to 0, and mod of observability should also be not equal to 0. This is conditions for controllable and observable. Thank you.